The mustard plant has been cultivated for thousands of years and valued not only for its seeds and pungent flavor but also for its impressive nutritional profile, as nearly every part of the plant, including its leaves, seeds, and oil, contains compounds that may contribute to better health and overall well-being. Number 1. Rich in essential nutrients. Mustard leaves and seeds provide an abundance of important nutrients, including vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron, which support numerous bodily functions ranging from bone maintenance to immune defense. A diet containing nutrient-dense foods like mustard greens can help people meet their daily nutritional requirements while consuming relatively few calories. Number 2. Packed with powerful antioxidants. The mustard plant contains antioxidants such as carotenoids, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases associated with aging. These antioxidants also contribute to the plant's anti-inflammatory properties, making mustard a beneficial addition to a balanced diet. Number 3. May support heart health. Consuming mustard greens and seeds may promote cardiovascular wellness because they provide fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that can help maintain healthy blood pressure, improve circulation, and reduce harmful cholesterol levels. The omega-3 fatty acids present in mustard seeds may further support heart function by decreasing inflammation within blood vessels. Number 4. May strengthen bones. Mustard greens are an excellent source of vitamin K, a nutrient essential for proper blood clotting and bone metabolism, while their calcium and magnesium content may help maintain bone density and reduce the likelihood of fractures as people age. Regularly including leafy green vegetables in meals has long been associated with better skeletal health. Number 5. May aid digestion. The fiber found in mustard leaves supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and encouraging the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, while compounds in mustard seeds may stimulate the production of digestive juices that help break down food more efficiently. Improved digestive function can contribute to better nutrient absorption and overall gastrointestinal comfort. Number 6. May boost immune function. Vitamin C plays a vital role in supporting the immune system, and mustard greens provide a significant amount of this nutrient, helping the body produce white blood cells and defend itself against infections. Antioxidants present in the plant may also help reduce inflammation and strengthen the body's natural defense mechanisms. Number 7. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that mustard seeds contain compounds capable of improving insulin sensitivity and slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which may assist in maintaining more stable blood glucose levels. Although mustard should not replace prescribed treatments for diabetes, incorporating it into a healthy diet may offer additional support. Number 8. May promote healthy skin. The vitamins and antioxidants found in the mustard plant can help protect skin cells from environmental damage caused by pollution and ultraviolet radiation, while vitamin A contributes to skin repair and the maintenance of a healthy complexion. Eating antioxidant-rich vegetables regularly may support smoother and more resilient skin over time. Number 9. May possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers, and mustard contains plant compounds that may help reduce inflammatory processes within the body. Including foods with natural anti-inflammatory properties in the diet may contribute to better long-term health outcomes. Number 10. May support respiratory health. In traditional medicine, mustard preparations have often been used to relieve congestion and respiratory discomfort because their warming properties may help loosen mucus and improve airflow through the airways. While scientific evidence remains limited, mustard continues to be used in some cultures as a home remedy for minor respiratory complaints. The mustard plant is much more than a common culinary ingredient, as its leaves, seeds, and oil provide a wide range of nutrients and beneficial compounds that may support heart health, digestion, immunity, bone strength, and other important aspects of wellness. Although mustard should be consumed as part of a varied and balanced diet rather than relied upon as a cure for disease, its long history of use and promising nutritional qualities make it a valuable addition to many meals. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.